Hello guys, my name is Valen from Management Major. Today I will describe about how often I socialize with fellow friends. I often socialize with friends starting when lesson start or meeting friends when I want to go to class together, when I'm finished class and in the school canteen. Finally, when we want to go to home, we usually shake hands and say goodbye. And additionally, when I am the boarding house, I often chat with our fellow boarding house resident often. Now, I will describe trend, holiday, and habit. As of my last knowledge, the COVID-19 pandemic has significant impact the trend and dynamic of holiday and travel. Some trend during the pandemic and the possible reason for them. The first, shift to domestic and local tourists trend. There has been a surge in domestic and local tourists as international travel restriction and safety conquered limited global travel. Possible reason, travel restriction and safety conquered. And the second, outdoor and nature-based tourists trend. Travelers learn toward outdoor activities such as hiking, camping, and beach vacation to minimize the risk of indoor gathering. Possible reason, social distancing, and health and well-being.
Hello, my name is Nicholas Vincentius from Management Major, and I will tell you about my school life start from kindergarten. To be exact, my school life start from Princess School Kindergarten. It was in 2009 to 2010. And then in 2011 to 2017, I went to elementary school Strada Santo Franciscus. Then in 2017 to 2020, I went to Santa Maria 1 Junior High School. In this junior high school, I chose taekwondo and chess as my extracurricular. Then in 2020 to 2023, I got into Thomas Aquino High School. In this high school, I chose natural science major because I liked it when I was in junior high school. In this high school, I got into basket and badminton as my extracurricular. Lastly, I went to Multimedia Nusantara University, and in this university, I chose management major, and because I like it. And currently, in this university, I became a commit of the event called Feel the Flow. It was like dancing. And then in the type of social media that I use are social networks. And the benefits of using that social media is that I can have many networks all around the world. And by having networks, I will get many information around the world and learn other countries through my friend from other countries. And from this network, I will know many ways to communicate with other people and finally find out the interests of people abroad. By knowing the interests of people abroad, I will find out the best way of marketing for my target market. And by knowing people abroad, my mind will be open. And I will develop my creativity more so that I can develop a better business plan. That's all from me.
Hello guys, my name is Yodi Stepan from Multimedia Nusantara University from Management Major. Today I want to talk about my opinion on two things. First about what the mean of good with money, and second about four skills that are important for us to gain our success on study. First, about good with money mean. In my opinion, good at using money is a word that describes that we must use money as well as possible. In the sense that the money we have must be used not wastefully and controlled, so that later we do not run out of money. Because we always use this money in our daily life. The money is very important when we want to pay or buy something. Second, about the four skills that important. The first, of course, we need good communication skill because to achieve the success, we will definitely meet with many people who will help us to achieve that success. Then we also have to develop every effective learning skill because with this skill we can learn something very efficiently. The third is self-management because with this skill we can organize ourselves well and all our time can be scheduled properly. In addition, we also need a skill that is certainly very important, namely problem solving. This skill is very important because on the way to achieving success in our studies, there will definitely be problems and obstacles that arise. So this is a skill that is very important to achieve our success in our studies.
Today I will describe about the first photo. As we can see is a photo of a group of people consisting of three women and three men, consisting of one doctor, two nurse, and three doctor assistant. From the photo, I took that they were going to carry out the operation because they were in the hallway close to the room and they believed that it would go smoothly because it could be seen from their smiling face, which indicated that they were professional in carrying out their duties.
And I will describe what happened in photo 4. As we can see, there is three guys sit in one sofa and they are looking at the left with a serious expressions, as if there is something interesting that piqued their interest. And the way they sit and their gesture indicate more that they are being serious. These three guys might be best friends with each other, and they are using some modest clothes. It looks like there are some famous people that being photographed as model on the cover of a magazine or a book, and it looks like they are photographed after some event. The location of their photograph look like some filming locations for TV shows or other events because of how good the background looks. That's all from me.
From management major, today I want to describe by the photo tree. Photo tree is a photo of a team or group when having a discussion. The group discussion in the photo was attended by two men and three women. This discussion was held in room called Mushroom 6 with grey walls. In the photo, it can be seen that they are discussing important things because on the table there are many files. But even though they are discussing important things, they still conduct the discussion with a happy and pleasant atmosphere. This can be seen from the smiling face of all of them, which indicates that they are very happy and enthusiastic in the discussion. Okay, so today I want to make a discussion and share my opinion with you about how to manage money as a college student. As we know, we have a limited amount of money because our parents always send the money once a month. Start from you. How's your opinion and your plan to manage the money as a college student?
The first, I always cook at home to save on food costs. Buy grocery in bulk and prepare meals by myself. Second, seek discount and deals. Take advantage of discount offer and always use membership card when shopping for needing item at a lower cost. And the last, reduce unnecessary expenses. Review my spending habit and cut back on non-essential exp- expenditure like dining out and impulse shopping. What about you, Nicholas?
As for me, the way I am living off in this college is I will avoid debt with high interest as much as possible because it just gives me much more trouble in the future. And even if I have an existing debt, I will pay it off as soon as possible. Second, I will have an emergency fund for an unexpected expense, so I will then use that card. And third, I will try to use campus resource like libraries, Uprint, and another facilities of my campus rather than using facilities from outside campus because it have a higher cost. Fourth, minimize transportation costs because as you know, nowadays transportation will really have a high expense, so I will just walk off to my college. And for the five, or lastly, I will reduce utility costs in my boarding house. Utility in here means electricity and water. So I will save the energy by use it when I only need it. How about you, Yodi?
Maybe I think there are some ways or tips that I can give to manage money as a college student. First, you must record your expense. As a college student, for sure, we need do the expense, for example, buy the university or college product and buy food for it. After do the expense, at the end of the day, we must write down the expense. And at the end of the month, we must do some evaluation, and from that evaluation we must plan to make more good expense in the next month. And the second, we can shopping more smarter. As a college student, we have a limited amount of money, so we need to search the cheapest price product, so we can minimize the expense as possible. And next, the third, we must don't waste our money. As we know, the money we have is limited, so we cannot buy the things we don't need. So the money we save, we can use the money we save to buy more positive things like a self-knowledge books or training a skill. That is my opinion. Anything else from you?
I think nothing else for me.
I think that's all from me.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Hello guys, today I want to ask you about your reason why you choose UMN as your university. Start from you, why you choose UMN.
As the first, because of family recommendation, who said that OMN was a good choice to choose because there was friend who had gone to UMN, and second because OMN had a vision and mission that was very much in line with me, and the third and the last because of scholarship that I got. We did the entrance test was during senior high school, and of course that really made me interesting in entering OMN. What about you, Nicholas?
The reason why I choose women is because women's campus visit program give a visit to my high school and give a presentation of women and giving information about how to get a scholarship in women. But in here, I wasn't too sure about joining women. But after many friends of mine start to join women, I start to think that women might be a good choice, but not to the point that I join women. But and after that, women's give a campus visit program to my high school. So my high school visit women, and we get many explanation about many facilities and faculty of women. And there is a faculty that piqued my interest, and that is the business faculty. After that day, I start to think that women might be a good choice to be the next step of my educational life. After that day, I took the entrance section to enter women. After I took it, I got the test score came out, and I got 100% scholarship. And the scholarship convinced me more to enter women. Then I made my mind and enter women after I paid the administrative cost. How about you, Yodi?
There are some reason why I choose UMN. There are maybe like four reason. First, I choose UMN because I get the big scholarship from the test. That 100% and 8 semester scholarship. The second, I get the permission from my parents to study in here because there are so many my cousins is graduated from here. And the third, uh, The women is come to my senior high school and over large scholarship. The fourth is because I was being rejected by the state university Unpad. That's all from me. Anything else? Nothing else.
That's all from me.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank